Tony wore his coat so white, lab was glowing super bright. Goggles on and gloves so blue, ready for something new to do. Ready for something new to do. Science world felt pure delight. Red and blue begin to blend. Purple magic starts to send. Bubbles rise and sparkle high. Tony watches a smiley eye. Color fun will never end. Foamy bubbles rise so high, floating gently in the sky. Tony laughs with happy face. Science magic fills the place. Tiny bubbles drift and fly. Volcano starts to shake and glow. Red foam lava starts to flow. Tony stands with excited cheer. Boom! The magic now is here. Science show begins to grow. Metal things begin to fly, sticking close and passing by. Tony smiles and pulls the force. Magnet power shows its course. Science tricks are in the sky. Rainbow colors shine so bright. Prism turns the beam of light. Tony claps and feels amazed. Color world is bright and glazed. Magic fills the lab tonight. Tiny robot starts to glow. Blinking lights begin to show. Tony builds it piece by piece. Science joy will never cease. Future tech begins to grow. Tiny spark goes zap, zap, zap. Energy jumps in science trap. Energy jumps in science trap. Tony watches safe and clear. Electric magic now is here. Bright ideas on his lap. Up and down the object goes. Water glow and gentle flows. Tony smiles and checks the trick. Science learning happens quick. Mysterious always grows. Tony stands